Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope you people are doing well. So welcome back. In this video I am going to explain some of the important questions from the chapter coordinate geometry. Okay, so I have selected top 10 most important questions that could be asked. Okay, either the same type of questions or it will be a little different, but if you practice these questions, okay, your preparation for coordinate geometry will be enough. Okay, so before moving to the questions, first I will explain the basics. Okay, and you have to remember these basics generally. Okay, only then you can solve the questions. And one more request, if you are new to this channel, kindly do subscribe it, like the video, and after watching kindly do share it to the maximum number of students. Okay, so let us start. See, as you all know, we have seen the graphs, right? We call this as x-axis and this as y-axis, right? And towards this side, this is x dash, and this side it is y dash. Okay, generally we call this as Cartesian system of line, Cartesian system. Okay, so this point from where the line is originating, we call it as origin, and it is always represented by 0 comma 0. Okay, now what is this 0 comma 0? The one first number represents the value towards x-axis and the second for the value towards y-axis. Okay, so if I write some point over here, okay, the first number is always written as x and the second number on the x-axis is y. Similarly, if you take a point on this line, first number is always x. Here x is 0 and y is how much? Y is y. Okay, so this x-axis and y-axis, they have the value of x and y-axis, they have some common name, general name. We called x-axis and the x ordinates as abscissa. What do we call? Abscissa. You have to remember this. And this y is called as y coordinate. Okay, coordinates. So if I mark a point over here, imagine 3 comma 4, and if I ask you what is the value of abscissa, it means I'm asking the value of x. So it is 3 and y ordinate is 4. We always represent the points in the form of x comma y. Always x is the first value, y is the second. Okay, this point you have to remember. Now the next important topic from this chapter is distance formula. Okay, so you have to remember the distance formula. We'll discuss about this while solving the problem. After this you have section formula. Okay, section formula, and related to section formula there is another formula, we call it as midpoint formula. So both of these are similar, you have to remember them. And the last one is formula finding the area of triangle when 3 points are given. These things you have to keep in mind. Okay, and other than these you have to always remember some words like collinear, meaning of collinear. So collinear means what? It is a line when collinear points actually, or collinear line means a line which is formed by joining 3 points and those points are in the straight line. Okay, the points are in straight line, those points are called as what? Collinear points. And if the 3 points forms joined and form a triangle, we will have a area for that. Okay, we have a formula for that can be find using this formula. And if these points are collinear, then the area of triangle is always 0. You have to keep this in mind. Okay, so these are some basics. I have not gone too deep. Okay, if you want them in detail, I have provided the link in my description box. You can watch it from there. So let us discuss the important questions, that is top 10 questions from this chapter, which is very important for your SSLC exam. Okay, 2021. Okay, so let us start. the first question. If you have not yet subscribed the channel, kindly do it. So this is our first question. See, the distance between the points 2 comma 3 and 4 comma 1 is dash. So you have to, if this is x1 y1 and this is x2 y2, what you have to do, you have to write the formula. Distance formula is what? It is x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square, right? Just substitute the values. X2 substitution should be done properly. Minus 2 whole square plus 1 minus 3 whole square. Okay, so on solving this, how much will you get? See, and one more thing you have to keep in mind, when you are taking this as x2 y2, while substituting, make sure you are writing this first, x2, and in the next here you have to take this as y2. Don't write sometime this 4 minus 2 and then 3 minus 1, that will be wrong. So here you will get 2 square plus 1 minus 3 is minus 2 square, and you have to keep the negative sign in mind. So this becomes 4, and here also this is 4. So this is root 8. Now this can be written as 4 into 2. So this becomes 2 root 2. So option number B is right, 2 root 2 units. Okay, actually I missed writing units, the unit. Okay, distance means it is the length. So whether the unit can be centimeter, meter or mm. Therefore we have just taken the general value, that is unit. Okay, general term, not value. Moving to the next question. The distance between origin and P and Q. So just now I said origin is represented as 0 comma 0. So whenever you get question like this, distance between origin and the point, you just write the square of these two and add them. Root of P square plus Q square. This will be the distance. Root of P square plus Q square. Okay, whenever you get 0 comma 0 and this, so our answer is B. Okay, moving to the next question. If the distance between the points A and B is 5, then the value of P is dash. So there is a point A, it is read as 4 comma P, and there is another point B which is 1 comma 0, and the distance between them is 5. Okay, then the value of P is what? So once again same formula, x1 y1 x2 y2. So distance formula is what? It is root of x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. So if you don't want to write the formula, you can directly substitute. I'm writing for those who are very new to the topic. So this is 1 minus 4 whole square plus 0 minus p whole square. On solving, this becomes minus 3 whole square, and here this becomes minus p whole square. So this is how much? It is 9, right? And this is plus p square, and here LHS you have 5. Now when we transfer this to the RHS root, it becomes square, and in the RHS it remains this one. So 5 square is 25. Transfer this 9 to this side, and this becomes p square. So this is how much? 16, which is p square. So p can be written as root of 16. So root of 16 is plus or minus 4, because since it was a square, you have to take this both value plus and minus 4. Okay, so here you can see the option number C. If option number C was not there and you have got the other options like 4, minus 4, 0, 3, so you have to choose the value of plus value. You have to take the value of positive one. Got it? That is by convention. Okay, now moving to the next question. The distance between the point 3 comma 4 from x-axis. Okay, so if I write this diagram, this is called as x-axis and this is y. So this point 3 comma 4, this is x and this is y. Okay, so somewhere, since this side is plus plus, this is negative plus, so this lies in this somewhere in this. So imagine this is minus 3 comma 4. So from x-axis, how far is this? So this is found out using which one? Which value? Y value. So y value is 4. So our answer is also 4. Always remember, if they ask the distance from y-axis, So you have to choose the answer of x, that will become the answer. For x you have to choose the answer of y. Got it? So here it is plus 4. Understood? Moving to the next question. Okay, so I hope you have understood. If you are finding it interesting, please like the video, subscribe. What have they given? The value of k if the points A, B and C are collinear. So when 3 points are collinear, area of triangle is 0. Okay, so I'll take this as x1 y1, x2 y2 and this as x3 y3. You have to substitute it properly in the area of triangle formula. Okay, it is x1 into y2 minus y3. You have to remember this formula, plus x2 into y3 minus y1 plus x3 into, it is y1 minus y2. Now when you substitute a as 0, so this becomes half into x1 is how much, 8 into what is y2, it is minus 4 of minus k. Okay, plus x2 is how much, 3 into y3 is, this is y3, k minus 1 plus x3 is 2 into y1 is 1 minus y2 is minus 4. So that you have to write bracket because you have minus over here and here. Therefore now it's become 0. Here you will get minus 32 minus 8k, here plus 3 minus 3, 3k minus 3, and here how much you will get, minus into minus plus. So 1 plus 4 is 5. So 5 2 is a plus 10. So when you solve this, see 32 3, how much is 32 plus 3, it is minus 35. Minus 35 plus 10 is minus 25, and here 8 minus 3 is minus 5k. Correct? Looking at the plus and minus sign properly, isn't it? Yes. Now if you transfer this to LHS, this becomes plus 25 and this is minus 5k. So k is what, 25 by minus 5, which is equal to minus 5. So the value of k is how much? It is minus 5 only. Got it? So you have to do it very carefully or else your answer will be wrong, because they have given plus 5 also. Okay, moving to the next question. Question number 6. What they have given? The coordinates of a point A, where AB is the diameter of the circle whose center is this and B is 1, 4. Okay, so if I draw a circle, imagine this is a circle, this is the diameter of circle, this is the center of the circle, AB is the diameter. The coordinates of A they have asked, where AB is diameter of circle with center they have given, center is 2 comma minus 3 and B is 1 comma 4. You have to find the value of this. So which formula are you going to use? We are going to use midpoint formula. Since radius, the center is midpoint of this diameter, we'll use this formula. 2 comma minus 3 equals to what? X1 plus x2, correct, divided by 2, and y1 plus y2 by 2. Since we don't know this value, we'll assume it as x comma y. So here 2 comma 3 minus 3 equals to x plus 1 by 2 and y plus 4 by 2. Okay, equate this with this, x and y with y coordinate. So 2 is equal to x plus 1 by 2. So x is equal to what? 2 to the 4 and minus 1. So this is 3. And here y plus 4 by 2 equals to minus 3. So y plus 4 equals to minus 6. So y equals to minus 6 minus 4, which is minus 10. So answer is 3 comma minus 10, not minus 3 comma 10. 3 comma minus 10. Option number A is the right choice. Got it? So they are very simple question. Just looking at the positive and negative terms, you have to identify the answer, and that is done only when you have practiced the problems well. Moving to the question number 7. If A, B and C are the vertices of triangle, okay, let me write this. Imagine this is the triangle A minus 1 comma 3, B 1 comma minus 1 and C 5 comma 1. Okay, then the length of the median through A, so through A I will draw a median. length of this median they have asked. So imagine this M is the midpoint of this. So now AM is called as what? Median. And M is the midpoint of BC. So first we have to find this M. Then we have to use distance formula to find AM. So how are you going to find this? Again, y, same midpoint formula, x comma y is equal to x1 plus x2. So 1 plus 5 by 2 and minus 1 plus 1 by 2. So this becomes 0 and here 6 by 2 comma this is 0. 1 minus 1 is 0. So this becomes 3 comma 0. It means M is 3 comma 0. Okay. Now use these two formula to find the distance. So it is x2 minus x1. So 3 minus of minus 1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. So when we solve this, 3 plus 1 is 4, 4 square, and here minus 3 square. So here you will get it as 16 plus 9, which is equal to root 25, and root 25 is how much? 5 unit. So answer is 5 units. Option number B is the correct choice. Got it? Next, question number 8. If the points P of k comma k minus 1 comma 2 is equidistant from the point A and B, then the value of k is dash. Okay, so there is a point, imagine P, and its points are k minus 1 and 2, and this point is equidistant from A and B. So if I write A over here and B over here, both of them are at equidistance, k comma 5 and this is how much? Sorry, this is 3 comma k. Okay, this is 3 comma k and this is k comma 5. Now they have asked the value of 5. So once again, midpoint formula. What is midpoint formula? This x comma y, the midpoint, will be equal to what? It will be equal to, yes, x1 plus x2. So 3 plus k by 2 comma k plus 5 by 2, right? Now equate with these two. So k minus 1 is equal to 3 plus k by 2, and similarly 2 is equal to k plus 5 by 2. Okay, so when you do cross multiplication, this becomes 2 into k minus 1, which is equal to 3 plus k. So this is 2k minus 2, which is equal to 3 plus k. So bringing all the k to LHS, 2k minus k is equal to 3 plus 2. So here k is equal to 5. One of the value is 5. What is the second value? So k plus 5 is equal to cross multiply, 2 to is 4. So k is equal to 4. Okay, and is this right? Yeah. Yeah, it's right. So 4 and 5 you transfer to RHS, this becomes minus 4. So this is minus 1. So 5 and minus 1. Actually this is minus 1, sorry. So both A and B are the right answer. Okay, this is the correct option. Moving to the next question. If R is the midpoint of the line segment AB joining the point A and B, then Y is equal to dash. So there is a line AB. A is how much? 6 comma 5, and B is how much? 4 comma Y. Okay, and R is the midpoint. Okay, R is what? Midpoint, and the value is 5 comma 6. Then the value of Y is dash. It is similar question. Same, 5 comma 6 will be equal to what? 6 plus 4 by 2 and 5 plus y by 2. Since we need only the value of y, we will equate only these two. 6 is equal to 5 plus y by 2. So 6 to the 12 is equal to 5 plus y. So y is equal to how much? 12 minus 5. What is 12 minus 5? 7. So the value of y is plus 7. So option number B is the correct answer. Got it? Moving to the last question. And the question given is, if 2 comma P is the midpoint of a line segment joining the points A and B, then the value of, is it similar? Yeah, it's similar, not same. Then the value of P. So I will give this as a homework question for you. Okay, so you have to solve by yourself and tell me the answer in the comment section. It is same as question number 9. Okay, so thank you for watching. We'll meet you all in the next video. Okay, and don't forget to subscribe the channel, and also do share the video link with maximum students of class 10. Thank you once again. We'll meet you in the next video. Bye. Have a good day.